Brent Slava, Nick Donato, checking in live from the Benzinga Newsdesk. Ladies and gentlemen, we are in the heart of the earnings season. We got a lot of big reports today, but one report is standing out. That's Gilead Gulf India Lima Delta is the ticker. Shares are trading down about 9% right now. That is about $10 billion in lost market cap from yesterday. Company reported earnings late last night. Company reported earnings of $270. Analysts were looking for about $261 from the company. Sales came in at $7.32 billion. This was total sales. Analysts were looking for about $7.15 billion. Those numbers were beat. However, the guidance was the kicker. Guidance was not so hot. The company said they're expecting total product sales for fiscal year 17 to be in the range of $22.5 to $24.5 billion. Analysts are currently looking for a total sales figure of $26 billion. The discrepancy there is this is a total product sales figure. It's not the total sales figure. As of this quarter, there was about $100 million in other sales besides the product sales. So just a little discrepancy there, but still that number is not comparable. One silver lining, the company did raise their quarterly dividend. They raised their quarterly dividend from 47 cents to 52 cents per share. And we know how the street is reacting today. We know how investors are digesting these figures. The stock, again, is trading down 9%. Nick, tell us a little bit about how some of the other notable sources on the street are reacting to this today.
We are at a 52-week low right now, and you mentioned it before. The guidance was conservative, very conservative. Baird's Brian Scorney actually said, Gilead typically gives conservative guidance, but this was like a black hole that management was seeing, and so he was kind of a little bit worried there. There are some positive signs. The HIV franchise was looking good. While they guided down on their HCV sales, there was definitely some other areas where investors could see growth coming in later on in the future. Martin Shkreli actually had a post last night, the controversial figure in Pharma right now.
Pharma bro.
Yeah, and he actually said that he would be a buyer following this weak report.
Buying the weakness.
Yes, absolutely. Buying the weakness on the report. He said, shares could be at 125. That was around 80% upside to what shares are trading at right now. Going off of this, one of the interesting things was Adam F. from the street. Adam Fierstein. Yep, Adam Fierstein.
Big pharma guy.
Yes, huge reporter in the space. He was kind of pontificating, while curing diseases like Gilead has done with HCV, while that is good for patients, is it necessarily good for business? And this kind of report has brought up that question. It's definitely a concern right now.
And he said that Gilead kitchen sink the guidance.
Yep.
He's basically saying they threw it all in there and they still missed. Basically.
Exactly.
Gotcha.
Yep,
okay.
Exactly.
And then just one more note here on the sell side of things. Citigroup did downgrade the stock. We got at least one downgrade today here on Gilead. If you're looking for some of this good information in your Benzinga Pro feed, open up your feed, type in ticker GILD Gulf India Lima Delta. That'll get you to all of the content that we've been talking about here today and a lot more. Have a good one, ladies and gentlemen. Good luck out there trading.
Have a good one.